Hello everybody. I am parting my hair in this video using a hack from TikTok that I saw someone use on YouTube, and I thought that was going to be so neat to try. I actually tried it once already and was pleased with the results, so I thought I would film a little something. Here, all I'm doing is putting some conditioner on, leave-in conditioner, because I had my hair in a wash and go, and I had washed it, rinsed it, put some water on it to get it a bit looser, and then go ahead and part it. And see, I mostly parted it from the front, and then even with my fingers, I'm able to just separate it and get more of a straight line than I've been able to get trying to hold the mirror and the comb at the same time. You can see kind of on the side here, I do have a little picture-in-picture type of situation going on, and again, that's just because I'm using FaceTime. What I've done is screen record on my device, and my tablet is on the table in front of me, and then my phone is behind me, and that way I am able to see what I am doing. And I said table, I meant sink. It is the sink in front of me. So there we go. I have parted my hair into several sections because I am planning on going ahead and doing some cornrow braids here. And I've tried some different back and forth methods, and you just see how cleanly I'm able to part the hair. It's really, really cool. Really, really great. You can see how easy using this technique has made it for me to part my hair. The only tricky part is that the hair was a little bit sticky, so it kept getting caught at the ends, But as far as actually making the parts and getting them nice and clean, this was the easiest and cleanest I have ever parted my hair. I know it's not perfect, but with a little practice, I think I can get there. And maybe someday I wouldn't even need to use this method anymore. But until next time, thanks for watching.